And we have more breaking news coming in, and the backlash after the protest that has taken place at the AI summit. The Congress party there, in fact, protesting the Banyan protest. Now, it is Rahul Gandhi who has thrown a black flag, and this is taking place in Mumbai. Now, here you have visuals of a black flag shown to Rahul Gandhi in Mumbai. This is, of course, the reaction coming about after the protest that took place, the AI summit protest, a shirtless protest, a showdown that took place. With that, it is, of course, the youth Congress protesters that have been booked and non-bailable charges have been slapped. The BJP workers have also, they took to the streets and staged a protest across the nation, and an absolute drama was witnessed outside Rahul Gandhi's residence in the national capital. Traitor Rahul slogans were also raised by the BJP protesters, and effigies of the Lok Sabha LOP were burned. Congress leaders have defended the agitation, calling it a peaceful expression of anger by unemployed youth. The Congress has also alleged that the Prime Minister has done nothing for the youth of the country. And now, here we can see, of course, breaking news coming in. Let's just also get you, in fact, Saurabh joining us in order to get us the latest on this. Saurabh, this is a reaction coming out of Mumbai. Rahul Gandhi being shown, this is after that shirtless protest that took place at the AI summit by the Congress leaders, particularly the youth leaders. And of course, Congress, they're completely defending their stand, saying that this has been done in the past as well, where protests have taken place. They're trying to basically talk about the misuse of AI and how that needs to really be guarded, and people need to be guarded, and which is what they were trying to showcase by that shirtless protest.
Well, absolutely. Let me tell you, let me cut across the live visuals right now outside the Bhiwandi court. I'll ask my camera person Mahesh to show you the visuals over here. Rahul Gandhi at present has reached Bhiwandi court. Let me tell you, today he's in Mumbai. He has to be present at this particular Bhiwandi court. Remember, a case is going on against Rahul Gandhi, and the surety which was given by him in the court had died in December 2025, and therefore he had to appear at this Bhiwandi court. And while he got down at Mumbai airport, and while he was traveling towards Bhiwandi at the Mulund toll naka, it's just between on the borders of the Mumbai and Thane. At the Mulund toll naka, there are the workers from the BJP Yuva Morcha, and they showed red flags, black color flags to Rahul Gandhi, and this has happened at the Mulund toll naka. Remember, while Rahul Gandhi was traveling from Mumbai airport to Bhiwandi, there was lot of heavy police bandobast all across. However, when his convoy was passing through the Mulund toll naka, black flags were actually shown to Rahul Gandhi's convoy, to Rahul Gandhi, and lot of sloganing had happened against Rahul Gandhi. There were police officials who were present over there. They tried to stop them. Remember what has happened in New Delhi. There is lot of protests which by BJP which is happening around the Mumbai and the area, and yesterday also we saw how the BJP workers had protested outside Congress office, and this is the same incident. And today again, while Rahul Gandhi was heading towards Bhiwandi, he was shown black flags at Mulund toll naka. We at NDTV right now show you the exact visuals at the Bhiwandi court. Remember, Rahul Gandhi has reached over here at the Bhiwandi court. He will be appearing in front of the court. A case against Rahul Gandhi is going on since 2014. Here, while he was campaigning for an election, he had said that it is RSS who had done the assassination of Mahatma Gandhi, and from that time the case was going on. The surety which was provided by Rahul Gandhi, the MP, died in December 2025, and therefore it was important for Rahul Gandhi to appear before the Bhiwandi court, and here he will once again give the surety. You can witness how there is a lot of police bandobast in and around the entire court premises area. The shops and the nearby area is completely shut down. There is lot of presence of security of police officials, and also let me tell you, there are a lot of Congress workers who are present over here. But police has made it sure that only and only Rahul Gandhi and his very core team who will be going inside the Bhiwandi court. Nobody else is allowed at all. From Mumbai airport, there was lot of huge police bandobast, and also lot of Congress workers who are present over there. They came all the way from Mumbai airport to Bhiwandi. While he was at Mulund toll naka, he was shown black flags. So it is very interesting. You can see how police is still managing crowd over here because there are a lot of Karyakartas, workers of the Congress who are coming over here. It's a busy road of Bhiwandi, but it's right now closed by the police official due to the security reasons. You can clearly see that how police are still vacating the entire area. Still over here you can see that how Congress workers are still present over here. Police have given strict instructions that nobody will be allowed inside. You can see how cops have ensured that all the shops and all the nearby surrounding is completely shut down and nobody is allowed to enter this
Because the Thane
premises
police
of-
there have a reinforced security around the court premises, and shops with a 100-meter radius have been closed as a precautionary step. And this all has happened following the death of former Union Home Minister Shivraj Patel, who had earlier acted as Gandhi's surety for bail. Saurabh.
Well, absolutely. Like he said that Shivraj Patel died in December 2025, and after which he was the one who had provided surety to Rahul Gandhi in this particular case, and therefore once again appearance of Rahul Gandhi was very important. And remember, this is how a busy area in Bhiwandi, and from we saw that how when Rahul Gandhi landed at Mumbai airport, there were a lot of Congress workers who were present over there. Over hundreds of cars of Congress workers were present over there. They all traveled from Bhiwandi till here, till